really sad, but cemeteries is that one place where most dreams go to die. Ideas stop, inventions never made, songs never written, paintings never painted. I don't want that to be the case. I want all your dreams to come to life, to succeed, and especially for Funnel Hacker Lab members to become the best people that they can be, the best versions of themselves. That was originally my idea with the Project Alpha, but it becomes something even greater and subdivided into like Funnel Hacker Labs, AI solutions, fitness programs. Because overall, becoming the best version of yourself is a project. It's not going to be flipping this light switch and become an alpha. So over here, what I want to be able to do is I want to make sure all your dreams can become a reality. And the way I best know how to do this is business. Funnel Hacker Labs can be your own one AI solution to automate the back end, drive your sales, teach you how to market, build your funnels, your websites, whatever you need to do to be able to build that business of your dreams. I want you to go to Funnel Hacker Labs. It's over here. We're not like any other marketing agency. We actually care. We actually care in you succeeding. And we do anything that it takes to make sure you win. Because overall, our payment structure is like this. The more money you're going to make, eventually the more money you're going to pay us. I don't want your dreams to die. I don't want your dreams to just be short-lived, never see reality, never see any light. I want your dreams to come out. I want your dreams to happen. I want to make your dreams become a reality. And if it is with business, that's where we at Funnel Hacker Labs can help. Click the link down below. If you have a dream that you don't want to be able to die with you in the cemetery, but hit me up down below if you want to be able to hop on a call with me so that I can show you exactly what I would do to help create this business, scale this business, market this business as if it was my own company. Click the link down below right now. Let's schedule up an AI funnel mapping session and let's show you what we can truly do with your business. Peace.